relax your body. Begin by taking breaths gently and slowly. Now, try to recall the pleasant memories about the sea as you watch the displayed image. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. With your eyes closed, you concentrate on the voice you hear and visualize the images according to what you hear. Here you are at the beautiful and peaceful sea. You see yourself lying on the sea water buoyantly, and your body is rocking gently along with the sloping waves. You feel your body melting into the water. As you breathe in deeply, you feel yourself becoming the water. As you become one with the water, you feel completely serene and peaceful. You are relaxed like gently running waves. Now you feel clear, cool water gently rolling over and tenderly caressing your body. Now you are letting the ocean wave wash all of your anger fear, anxiety away as you deeply inhale and fully exhale. Now you feel it washing away all of your tensions and everything disturbing in your mind. Now you watch yourself where the gentle waves take you and continue the inner journey far, far away from all discomfort, tensions, and worries of the world. You allow it to take you as far as it wants to go. This is the place of comfort. This is the place for rest. In this place, you feel safe, comfortable, relaxed, and at ease. Now, it's time to return from your journey. Begin to gently bring yourself back. As you bring yourself back, you feel yourself refreshed and enlightened and ready to do your work. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.